Bitcoin price prediction. As VanEck's CEO says, BTC will hit all-time high within 12 months. Time to buy. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on size full WP image 143,117 src equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,903,142.18.3 JPG alt equals width equals 1280 height equals 720 src set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,903,142.18.3 JPG 1280 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,903,142.18.330x169 JPG 300 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,903,142.18.3 JPG 1924 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,903,142.18.3 768x432 JPG 768 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,903,142.18.3 150x84 JPG 150 sizes equals max width 1208 IPS 100 wa 1208 IPS Bitcoin BTC, the world's most valuable cryptocurrency, experienced a downturn over the weekend, falling to the $41,000 range. This decline is part of a broader trend that saw the global crypto market cap drop by over 8% in 24 hours, standing at $1.46 trillion. The market's sluggishness is partly due to a lack of fresh news on ETF applications. Despite this, there's an air of optimism, with expectations of a potential rally as the January ETF application window approaches. This sentiment is further buoyed by bullish predictions from VanEck's CEO and Pantera Capital, suggesting a bright future for Bitcoin's price. $BTC failed the retest of 42.5 now failing 42.41 more likely from here #Bitcoin pick Twitter.com/xtwopscoop Sage Trading Guild at SGT Guild December 17, 2023. Additionally, record-breaking earnings by Bitcoin miners and increased transaction fees indicate a positive market momentum, though recent fund outflows and shifting market sentiment have contributed to the price decline. VanEck's CEO and Pantera Capital's bullish Bitcoin forecasts. Jan VanEck, CEO of investment firm VanEck, has a bullish outlook on Bitcoin, predicting it will reach new all-time highs within the next year. He views Bitcoin as akin to gold, a valuable asset appealing to investors, particularly in the current economic climate. Despite political uncertainties, VanEck's optimism is fueled by Bitcoin's resilience and an anticipated halving event in April. Bitcoin will reach new all-time high in 12 months, says VanEck's EOPS/T co/KDMVN3NSR BTC. #est #deprem #web3 #turinelvali #eth #cryptocurrency #crypto news #messy #New York #muff #internet down #tn rains #xrp pick Twitter.com/2lf9j yon whitepate Moon Crypto Academy at Moon CryptoKitty December 18, 2023. VanEck's perspective on Bitcoin's growth and increasing value ties closely to economic factors, especially the inverse relationship between interest rates and assets like Bitcoin and gold. As interest rates decline, Bitcoin's attractiveness as an investment option intensifies. Experts like VanEck and Dan Moore, head of Pantera Capital, believe that Bitcoin's impending halving event is a key milestone. They liken Bitcoin's evolution to a maturing entity, progressing beyond its earlier volatile phases. This analogy underpins their expectation of Bitcoin reaching new heights in the coming year. Moorhead extends this positive outlook to 2025, considering Bitcoin's historical trajectory. SRC equals https://I itim.com/roman6/id/hq default. JPG alt equals width equals 480. Height equals 360. Ethereum title equals Bitcoin is the obvious asset that's growing up in front of our eyes, says VanEck's CEO. Width equals 640. Height equals 360. SRC equals https://www.youtube com/embed/ebjhfd VNNO, feature equals owned frame border equals 0 allow equals accelerometer, autoplay, clipboard write, encrypted media, gyroscope, picture-in-picture, webshare allow full screen /iframe. Thus, these bullish predictions from prominent figures in the cryptocurrency sector may bolster investor confidence in Bitcoin. As more investors recognize its potential for sustained growth, this sentiment could translate into an upward trend in Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin miners' record earnings and rising fees indicate market upswing. Bitcoin miners have recently hit a milestone, with their earnings reaching an all-time high of $9.98 million on December 16, eclipsing the previous record set on May 8, 2023. This surge in earnings is closely linked to Bitcoin's rising price since early May. Crypto breaking news: Bitcoin miner revenue just hit a new all-time high. Here's what's driving it. Bitcoin miners have seen their revenue increase in recent times and even saw a new all-time high ATH on December 16. This comes after a long per. Check us out at pic.twitter.com/TNPIMUC. Innovatech Mobile at Neon.com December 18, 2023. A key revenue source for miners involves adding digital assets, known as Bitcoin NFTs or ordinals, to the blockchain. The increasing popularity of trading ordinals in November led to a spike in fees, crossing over $37. Currently, the Bitcoin network is facing congestion with over 200,000 pending transactions, likely due to heightened network usage. This congestion, while challenging, benefits miners who had seen reduced earnings earlier in the year. With anticipation building towards the Bitcoin halving in April 2024, miners are hopeful for continued network activity. Thus, the record high earnings for Bitcoin miners and the accompanying increase in transaction fees reflect a bullish trend in the market. These factors, combined with network congestion, point to a potentially positive impact on Bitcoin's price trajectory. Bitcoin's price dip linked to fund outflows and sentiment shift. Recent trends in cryptocurrency funds have indicated a notable shift in investor sentiment, interrupting an 11-week inflow streak in major asset managers like CoinShares, Bitwise, Grayscale, ProShares, and 21 Shares. According to CoinShares, there was a net outflow of $16 million last week, predominantly from Bitcoin-based funds, which saw outflows of $32.8 million. Bitcoin's 11-week streak of inflows to crypto funds comes to an end as $33 million flows out. Find out what this means for the market in our latest report. https://t.co/BRZXOIDJWH Crypto Pop Trip at Crypto Pop Trip December 18, 2023. Additionally, short Bitcoin investment products experience minor outflows of $0.3 million. Despite these outflows, trading volumes remained robust, with activities totaling $3.6 billion, well above the yearly average of $1.6 billion. This high trading volume occurred alongside a 5% decrease in Bitcoin's price, ending its 8-week streak of continuous weekly gains. Bitcoin's current trading price stands at $40,925. The combination of a significant $32.8 million outflow from Bitcoin-focused funds and the notable price drop indicates a changing tide in investor attitudes. Although trading remains active, these recent developments have influenced Bitcoin's market position, as evidenced by its current trading valuation. Bitcoin price prediction. As of December 18, Bitcoin's market trajectory presents a nuanced yet cautiously optimistic picture. Currently, the cryptocurrency is trading at $41,560, marking a modest uptick of nearly 0.50%. The 4-hour chart analysis reveals a pivot point at $41,735, with Bitcoin facing immediate resistance levels at $42,818, $44,714, and $45,962. Conversely, support levels are found at $40,662, $39,720, and the critical $38,352, which aligns with a 78.6% Fibonacci retracement mark. The relative strength index RSI for Bitcoin stands at 45, indicating a bearish sentiment leaning towards neutrality. This suggests that while investors are not overwhelmingly bullish, the market is not in a state of oversold panic either. A key observation is Bitcoin's position relative to the 50-day exponential moving average EMA, currently at $42,000. This level acts as a significant threshold. A sustained movement above it could signal a bullish trend, while staying below could indicate bearish tendencies. Additionally, Bitcoin's chart patterns show a 50% Fibonacci retracement at the $40,700 level. A drop below this point could lead to further decline towards the 61.8% Fibonacci level at $39,785 and potentially to the 78.6% level at $38,350, suggesting critical support zones for investors to monitor. Bitcoin price chart. Source: TradingView. Overall, Bitcoin's trend appears bullish above the $40,700 mark. The short-term forecast anticipates that Bitcoin may test higher resistance levels in the coming days, particularly if it maintains above these pivotal support points. However, the market remains delicately poised, and investors are advised to closely watch these technical indicators for signals of either a continued upward trajectory or a shift towards a bearish trend. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. Cryptocurrency projects endorsed in this article are not the financial advice of the publishing author or publication. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile investments with considerable risk. Always do your own research. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy and terms of service apply. IMG SRC equals https://simg. co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up in